Hello there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle, where we post daily lessons, stories, and insights on the law of attraction and manifestation, and how you can use them as a skill to live out the life of your dreams. In today's video, you will learn about the secret to manifesting health and wellness. If you're looking to live a happier, healthier life, then this video is for you. Manifestation is the process of bringing your desires and dreams into reality. It's a powerful tool that can help you create the life you want and live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. However, for some people, the concept of manifestation can be hard to grasp, and they may be skeptical of its effectiveness. If you're one of those people, it's understandable. The idea that you can attract what you want into your life simply by focusing your thoughts and energy can seem too good to be true. But the truth is, manifestation is based on the principle that your thoughts and feelings directly impact your reality. By focusing your energy on what you want and taking aligned action towards your goals, you can attract the things you desire into your life. It's not magic, but it is a proven technique to help you manifest your dreams into reality. First, let's start with setting intentions. What do you want to manifest in your health and wellness? Write it down. Writing down your goals and intentions is a powerful step towards manifesting what you want in life. It makes your goals real and tangible and gives you a clear target. Writing down your goals also helps to clarify your thoughts and focus your energy on what you truly want. The more detail you can provide, the better. Take time to identify goals like target weight, increased energy, or a healthy relationship with food. Whatever your goal is, identify it in great detail. Then focus on the feelings you'll have when achieving those goals. You'll likely feel energized, proud, accomplished, focused, and fit. Identify the feelings you desire when manifesting health and wellness. So what should you do with the paper with your goals? First, put it somewhere where you'll see it daily, like on your bathroom mirror or office desk. This helps to keep your intentions top of mind and reinforces your commitment to making them a reality. Next up, visualization. This is a powerful technique for manifesting what you want in your life. Visualization means creating a mental image of what you want to achieve and focusing on it regularly. This helps to engage your body and mind and create a powerful energy that attracts you. How do you visualize? Close your eyes and imagine yourself living the life you want. What does your day look like? What are you doing? How do you feel? Try to make the image as vivid as possible. Visualization is a proven technique to manifest your desires because it helps to train your mind and body to vibrate at a high frequency. When you focus on positive thoughts and feelings, you're sending out a message to the universe that you're ready and open to receive all the good things you desire. You also need to take aligned action. This means taking steps toward your goals and being open to new opportunities. Trust that your mind is powerful and you can create the life you want. Keep in mind, though, that the universe loves balance, so don't overdo this step. Pushing yourself too far physically will only delay your desires because you're operating from a place of lack and scarcity. Simple actions you can take to keep yourself aligned with your desires would be putting your workout clothes and running shoes out the night before you run, keeping water by your bed to encourage you to stay hydrated, or even meal prepping, so you have healthy snacks within reach at all times. As you manifest your goals, it may be tempting to rush things along. You may even get discouraged because you're not seeing changes quickly enough. It's essential to keep your vibrations high to emit the same energy as a healthy and abundant life. When you're feeling frustrated, replace your limiting and negative thoughts with affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements you can repeat to yourself regularly to train your mind to believe them. Here's a few examples. I am happy, healthy, and full of energy. I am grateful for my strong and healthy body. I choose to live a life of abundance and wellness. Training your mind and body to vibrate at a high frequency takes time and consistent effort, but it's worth it. When you focus on positive thoughts and feelings, you'll start seeing the positive changes you want. We hope this video has helped to reveal the secret to manifesting health and wellness. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.